Hello friend, now we are going to start the one of the sensory organ, ear. So ear is a phonoreceptor. It receives the sound waves. So this is that's why thus it is called phonoreceptor, as well as it also help in the balancing process. So it is commonly called a statoacoustic organ. So it helps in hearing as well as balancing the body organ. So mammalian ear or human ear divided into three parts: external ear, middle ear, internal ear. So here is the structure of the ear. So this is the structure of this is the external part of the ear called external ear. So here is the part. Next, middle ear, and third one is internal ear. So one by one we discuss about the how the structure and look like the external ear, middle ear and internal ear. So external ear contain two parts, pinna and auditory canal. So pinna is the expanded structure which help in receive the sound waves from outside. So it is cartilaginous structure, and so a tube arises from the pinna and open into the middle ear. So that tube is called auditory canal, which help in the carry the sound wave which already received by the external ear, and then sound wave which bombarded on a membranous structure called tympanum. Tympanum is the membranous structure which diffuse the sound in all directions. So here is the tympanum and diffuse the sound in multi directions, and then the another structure start are open into the middle ear. So middle ear, the space is called tympanic cavity, and which contain bones called ear oscles. So there are three bones. First is malleus, second one incus, and third one stapes. These ear oscles bones help in linear and unilateral direction of the sound waves. It acts as a piston and also enhance the intensity of the sound wave in one direction. So one by one it goes to the, and then the sound vibration goes to the rest part of the ear called internal ear. So here is the sound wave received by the and maintain the linear movement and increase the intensity by these three oscles bones, and then sound wave come into the internal ear through the oval space or called oval window. It is also called fenestra ovalis, oval shaped windows. Then the sound wave, now the sound waves come into the internal ear. So internal ear is covered by a membranous membrane. So membranous membrane which is surrounded with a bony structure called bony membrane. So it is two part, bony labyrinth and membranous membrane. So the structure present in the membranous labyrinth. So first structure is vestibule, second cochlear duct, and third one semicircular canal. So here is the a structure is called vestibule, and vestibule get coiled to form a cochlear duct. So this is not a structure of the exact structure of the internal ear, but it get coiled. So here is the structure, vestibule get coiled to form cochlear duct. This is the main real structure. So here the vestibule which differentiate into three chambers. So first is upper chamber, middle chamber, and third one is lower chamber. Upper chamber is called scala vestibule, middle chamber is called scala media, and lower chamber is called scala tympani. And these chamber filled with a fluid. So upper and lower chamber filled with a fluid called perilymph, and middle chamber filled with endolymph. So here is the endolymph. So apart from the cochlear duct, another structure which arises from the scala media and get elongated tubular structure are further, which is divided into three semicircular canal. So this semicircular canal and along with semicircular, a swelling structure arises. That swelling structure is called, first is utriculus and second one is called saccular. These structure helps in balancing the body, so help in the balancing process. So it will be discussed and later, and mechanism how the balance occurs, which part or which cells involved to help in balancing, which type of balance takes place. So this will be discussed in the next chapter. So this is the structure of internal ear and internal ear, then back to an open into middle ear called a round window called fenestra rotunda. So this is a structure of ear having different part. So external part, external ear, middle part, middle ear and internal part, and the other structure attached with these external, middle and internal ear. So it is all about a structure aspect of ear. So it's okay. Thank you.